Imagine a nation being born, not with weapons, but with words. Not on a battlefield, but in a hall filled with ideas. This is the story of how India wrote its destiny. For nearly 2 centuries, India lived under British rule. But as the years passed, the fire for freedom only grew stronger. From villages to cities, from farmers to freedom fighters, one dream echoed across the land. The dream of self-governance, the dream of independence. In 1946, that dream took its first real step. The Constituent Assembly of India was formed. 389 brilliant minds from provinces and princely states. Their duty was extraordinary, to write the constitution of a new India. Inside the assembly, some of the greatest visionaries of our nation came together. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, the calm, steady president of the assembly. Jawaharlal Nehru, whose words laid down India's guiding philosophy. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the man who stitched unity into the fabric of a divided nation. Legal stalwarts like Aladi Krishnaswamy Iyer and K.M. Munshi. And above all, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, chairman of the drafting committee, the principal architect who transformed hope into law. The drafting committee worked tirelessly, day after day, night after night. By February 1948, the first draft of the Constitution was ready. But the real test began inside the Assembly Hall, where every article was debated, questioned, rethought, polished, and perfected. Nothing was accepted without reason. Nothing was written without purpose. It took 2 years, 11 months, and 18 days. The Assembly met in 11 sessions spread across 166 days of intense discussion. Every word was crafted with precision. Every principle shaped India's future. Our Constitution drew wisdom from across the world. A parliamentary system from Britain, fundamental rights from the United States, directive principles from Ireland, a strong federal design from Canada. India studied the world, and then created something entirely its own. On 26th of November 1949, the Constitution of India was adopted. A new dawn broke, and on 26th of January 1950, it came into force, a date chosen to honor the historic Purna Swarar Declaration of 1930. On that day, India became a sovereign democratic republic, a nation guided by justice, equality, liberty, and fraternity. Today, the Constitution is more than just a book. It is the heartbeat of the world's largest democracy. It protects us, it empowers us, it defines who we are. This is the story of courage, the story of wisdom and vision, the story of how India wrote its own destiny. With the power